Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Let's have some fun. Do you have Easter leftovers that you're trying to figure out what to do with? So do we. So today I'm putting together a sweet ham and egg salad. Let's see what we're gonna need. I've got my various Easter leftovers, some ham, which I've ground, three dyed hard-boiled eggs. I've peeled these and sliced them, and I like to use my pastry knife because I like to leave my eggs a little chunky. I've also got some shredded carrot and dried blueberries. The rest of this is for our sweet sauce. We're also going to be adding in a full dropper of this habanero pepper extract because nothing says Easter leftovers like Satan. Let's get started. We're starting with about a half cup of mayonnaise. And we're adding in about a quarter cup of white distilled vinegar. I've also got a half cup of sugar here. We'll probably start with a quarter cup and then sweeten it up if we need to. A little bit of salt and black pepper. And we'll get this stirred up. We're adding in about a tablespoon of poppy seeds. And now for our whole dropper of Satan sauce. If you'd like to see how I made that, the link to this video is at the end of this one. Okay, I'm giving this a taste first just to make sure we don't need any more sugar. No, that's very sweet. And I'm not actually getting much heat, so I'm going to add 2 more stoppers full. This is quite tasty. I would actually eat this as salad dressing. So let's add in our other ingredients here. I'm going to use about half this carrot. This will probably turn it orange. This is a half cup of dried blueberries. 3 eggs. And I'm not adding all this ham, probably only about half of it, maybe a cup and a half. We can mix this up. Oh, it looks so appetizing. Okay, I can add a little more ham in there. Okay, I'm adding in the rest of the carrots. It's not really showing up enough for me. Okay, normally we would allow salads to sit in the refrigerator for an hour or so for these flavors to meld, but let's just taste it now. I didn't have any crackers left over, but I do have these chocolate bunny ear wafers. Don't worry, these will be in episode 2. Let's give this a taste. It certainly looks interesting. Well, it's not as bad as the Catay. This actually is not that bad. I think if we didn't put the egg in there, it would actually taste quite delicious, even on these chocolate wafers. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you.
If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.